6 of the best side hustles that you can do right now. If you're new to my channel, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. And don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave me a little comment. Make money online. It helps my channel. 5 or 6 of the best side hustles you can do right now. And if you don't know what a side hustle is, basically the side hustle is any way to make extra money. You can be, the hours are flexible. You can still do it with your 9-to-5 job. It's just a way to make extra money. That's why they're called side hustles. It lets you still work and have, do it on your time, and that kind of stuff. But that's a side hustle. I mean, it's anything you can do outside of your 9-to-5 job that doesn't interfere with that. But, the first, one of them is a freelance writer. If you're a good writer and, you can work for places like HireWriters, I'll leave their information down there in the description. They're good. I use them for a lot of my content, writing, like on my website and stuff. They're great. You got Upwards, I think it's Farah. They're pretty good. You can hire, you can do stuff for them too. But that's if you're a good writer and you have the time. Freelance writing is good. Online tutoring, man, that's blowing up big time. Just for the simple fact that kids are back in school. You got college going back. You got the regular. The other kids are going back to school, and with people being behind, with their kids being a little behind, and parents, they're struggling. They got to work, 2 jobs. They just don't have time to spend them, doing all that homework and all that stuff. Online tutoring, I'm telling you, it's big money. It's really taken off. Then you got drop shipping. If you want to do some drop shipping where, you got stuff and you want to start your like a Shopify store, you can do that with drop shipping. And you can also do print on demand, which ties right in to your Shopify store. So that's a good one. And you can also, if you're good at social media and you know how to use, do the SEO and post, stuff that's, that's SEO, that going to help people grow their account, man, people are looking for that left and right because they just don't have time or they don't know how to do it. So they're constantly looking for a social media manager. That's a good one. But probably my favorite and the one that I do the most, it's got to be affiliate marketing. It's a no-brainer. I mean, it really is. It's, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, you're basically promoting other people's products, but you're not dealing with none of the headaches. You're not dealing with returns. You're not dealing with, customers, service, and you're not keeping a bunch of products around your house that's just taking up space. I mean, it's perfect, especially, if you're a busy mom or a busy dad, and it's, once you get everything set up, it turns into passive income because once you get everything dialed in, it's going, it's exactly what you want. But the rest of them do it too. If you're doing Shopify and that kind of stuff, some of that is passive, but some of it, is, you got to put some work into it in order to do it. But there's different companies that you can get it set up, like your print on demand. You can set it up to where, you don't have to deal with any of that. All they do is you come up with a design, they print it, they ship it, they do all that stuff. You don't ever mess with it. All you do is pay them a little bit of money, you get the rest. That's, you can do that on Shopify. But affiliate marketing, you can sign up for different places like Impact, some of these other ones like, most of the famous ones like ClickBank, and that kind of stuff. But, you got to be careful with some of them. But you got different products you can sign up for, or you can, if you have a favorite store, like Walmart, Amazon, different things that you can sign up for their affiliate program. They'll give you a link, you promote something, whether it's on Amazon, you promote maybe it's products that you use every day, Walmart stuff that you use every day, and you know something about it, well, then you can promote it, then once you sell it, they'll give you a commission, and that's basically affiliate marketing, and that's what I like to do because it's less headache, you know, and right now, if you want to learn how to do this the right way, where you learn how to build a funnel, how to do email campaigns, how to do ads on Google and Bing and all that without being banned, we got you covered. We got guys and gals who's been doing this for years. Now they want to give back and show you the shortcuts on how to become a multimillionaire, how they became successful. But you're not going to have to worry about all the learning curves. You're not going to have to worry about all this work, does that work? No. All that's gone away. You're going straight to learning what affiliate marketing is, how to build funnels, how to do email campaigns, how to run your ads without, being banned. And you got to remember, social media, you can be banned for anything. You can make, whether it's your fault or not. You could wake up one day and they could ban you and your account locked up. But your email, if you work on your email list, that's yours. That's nobody else's. That's your stuff. You can still continue. If your account gets frozen or whatever, you can still keep sending out emails to your customers and giving them, showing them different products and all that. You can also use a thing called text magic, and you can text them. But, and I'll leave the link down in that too, down in the description. But, you can reach your customers. Most people read a text message within 90 seconds. Just think about you when you're looking, you hear that ding. What do? You pick up your phone, look at it. You see who's sending you a message. Text message these days is probably the next step over email. A lot of people take 2 or 3 days maybe to read their email, but text messages on their phone, they answer that pretty quick. So you may want to think about that too, but there's 6 ideas that you can use if you're thinking about a side hustle. That's being a freelance writer. If you're a good writer, that's online tutoring, which is blowing up right now. Really, you can go to VIP Kids, or you can just Google tutoring and sign up for some of the stuff that they have, and you can, I'm telling you, you can make some good money doing that. You can do drop shipping, you can do print on demand, you can be a social media manager if you're really good at social media, at building accounts. But of course, my favorite is affiliate marketing. That's what I do every day. That's, and we're willing to teach you how to do it the right way. All you got to do is check out the link in the description, and let's get going, because you want to learn how to do it and start making money immediately while you're learning. You don't want to wait weeks and weeks doing trial and error stuff to figure this out. That's no fun for nobody, but we got you covered. So, hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and don't forget to check me out, and don't forget to leave a comment. Making money online. Let's go.